Good morning, everyone. Today I'm coming to show you how to download music on YouTube. By the way, I have to present myself. My name is Daniel. You can call me Danny. So I'm coming to show you how to download the music on YouTube. It's gonna be very fast and simple, very easy, very easy. And I'm gonna show you to download the music on YouTube by if you need the music on MP3, that's mean the music only. That's mean the audio. If you need the music on MP4, that's mean the video. So I'm gonna show you to download the music on MP3, on MP3, on MP4, on YouTube. It's gonna be very fast and simple, and YouTube don't like that. So I'm just gonna show you how to do that, very quick and fast. Let's check it out. All right. Any page that you see, you open that one. Okay, you tap like YouTube converter. YouTube converter. Okay, and you open another page. You go to YouTube. Like I picked that music. Let's see. It's gonna be very easy. Very easy. YouTube don't like that, so it's easy. I'm gonna show you how to do that. You just copy the link. My internet's a little bit slow. You copy the link and you go back to YouTube converter. You paste it and boom, you convert. If you need the MP3 or MP4, that's the sounds only. That's the sound. That's only the music. If you need the video, you pick MP4, and bingo. It's gonna open another page. You just close it. You don't need it, and the music gonna download right here. And you're gonna see. It's right here. The music is download right now. It. And here we go. The music is right here. Here we go. The music is right here. Okay, it's very easy and very simple. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like and leave a comment. And if you want me to do another video about something else, just let me know. But I got more video coming up. Thank you guys. Thank you for watching the tutorial. So I really appreciate that. Don't forget to give me a like and a comment. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and I love you all. Bye.